Hey everyone! Oh, whoa, I'm stuck down here. And, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to go this fast. Or faster. You need to use check cache v3 if you want to do this. But, there's a thing called Casper. This is what I use to no-clip because check cache v3 ones got patched. So you need to have a gun or like a key card. And oh man, it's being glitchy. Okay. Come on. There. See that? That's what Casper does. Alright. So what you gotta do, open check cache v3. Like this. Go here. Link will be in the description below. So go there, press 4-bit scan. Press that first scan. Control A. Put those down. I think this one is being glitchy, just so you know, guys. I don't think this is how you do it, but even if it's wrong, I'm just going to show you how to, I'm pretty much just showing you how to do that. Copy that, and then Control A, do that, Control V, and let's see if am I faster? Yeah guys, that one was glitchy. But now, we're just going to be trolling cops with this. And yes, I am using the mage animation, that's why my legs aren't moving. Information. Okay. Whoa. I need a gun. Oh, hi man. Hi buddy. Buddy. Can I have a key card? Key? Key? Please give me a key card, bro. Okay. Hold on, let's beat him. Hacks. There are exploits. Whoa. This is sketchy. Holy crap. Oh, that is a guy. Okay, let's turn the no clip on. Oh my gosh, it's not working right now. Usually it is so good. Casper is always glitchy when I am recording. It is so annoying, guys. Maybe 10 will work. Looks like we'll have to do the laggiest one there is. 1. Well, 0 freezes your game pretty much. Oh yes, this is perfect. Hey bud. Make sure you're careful on these hills, because, yeah, you fall and sometimes you get flung out of the map and it's crazy annoying. So, you crouch, or if you're lucky, you can just jump. It's usually easy, it's easier when you're on a lower speed. Cause yeah, just easier. Aha. turn the no clip on, and then this no clip through here. Please let me no clip. Maybe a key card will do it. Come on. Okay, we're just going to go through here then. Woo! Can I just get in here? Please. Please let me in. Please don't tell me that's a cop. I don't think it is. There we go. Come here, buddy. So, I'm a hacker, BTW. Alright. And let's go! Oh, oops. Okay, I do own the Bugatti. So, let's hop in this baby. My whip. Could buy that, but I'm fine. Let's just run away over here. Go to Raptor Rex and search this, because this is the best. So link to the hack CC YouTube. Here, I'm going to put that in there, but blah blah. Let's go. No clip got patched. I am so sad, because I love the no clip so gosh dang much. But it got patched a long time ago, way in that winter update. Well, I think it was an update after the winter update. Get out. Stupid. Get out of the car, my dude. Okay, my dude. Let's go ahead and go away. Holy crap. Get out. Come on. Come on. Have y'all heard Lil Pump's newest Get It song? I hate it. It's pretty annoying. But I have the word Get It stuck in my head now. Come on. This guy got to die. Needs to gosh dang die. Got him. Alright. Get it. Let's go over here, guys. Come on. 3, no clip, okay. Please tell me it works. I think it's just a speed hack, or it's my recording, because sometimes the recording does not work. Okay. What about, no, I'm joking. Okay, let's try 1 again. Come on. And, come on. Darn it, it's not working, guys. Okay. The auto clicker is still on, so it's just pretty much auto shooting. So stop and click. Oh, it's us. Nope, I'm in. I made it. I'm in. I'll have $100,000 after I rob this. But my no clip is being gay, so I can't really no clip. 2,000. That guy looked like he was speed hacking for a second. And I was going to report him. No, I'm joking. Go ahead, guys. If you want to report me... Oh my gosh. Holy crap. I always forget to turn off that. If you guys want to report me, go ahead. My username is Chelds10. Go ahead, report me. I don't care, guys. Never really have. Even though this is the best account, and I just got 1,000 Robux yesterday. Go ahead, report me. It's not like I care. Actually, I do care. But like... Oh my gosh, why did I stop there? Okay. 4,000 and 4,500. Holy crap. This is the only reason why I hate doing this. Okay. Let's see if I can at least try to get out. Yes. No! Dang it. Well, that's pretty much how you no clip. We can, if you want. Well, I'll do this probably later. We can do Blackberry. What's up, my dude? Whoa! I think my thing, oh, there we go. Okay. Thought my thing crashed. Okay. But we're fine. We are good. We are all good. Not that good. Hello? It's a random person. It's not Leah. What you doing in here? Come on. Work. No clip work. The bank is probably open, but it's not. Okay. I guess we'll play some treasure hunt simulator. Because I bought a ton of stuff. So I'm going to show you what I got. I just scratched myself. Jared, what's up, my dude? Jared. Dude. Jared. Bro. Jared. Why is Jared? Maybe Jared? Bro. Let's play treasure hunt sim. I got my own private island and quick dig and VIP and sprint. Yeah, guys, I pretty much just bought everything I said, but let's see. Yeah, that's all I bought. Because I got 1,000 Robux. Join me. Okay. Yep. Also, I rebirthed. It's easy to get money with quick dig. And